White. 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 Knock one. Another one.
Box move. Box move.
Now is a good time to stare at this house. They are not in circle.
I see a bright bomber.
Where at?
Ooh,
They're moving. They're trying to move. They're shooting hard. Ooh.
I see a guy. Got Midas. From exactly they're not in circle. They can.
They're gonna try to
They
go
have
this
no.
way, though.
They have no choice not to rush us, but to rush us.
Yeah. They're back there.
Yeah, okay.
They're backing up.
Anybody
a
got
little bit.
sniper ammo? I ain't got none. I only have 3 bullets.
Where you at? Yeah, come here. There's some.
24.
Oh, headshot on the
Keep spraying. Keep spraying.
Ice King.
Keep spraying.
I got Ice.
Who's got the rockets?
Somebody spray.
Finished Ice King.
Keep spraying. Keep
They
spraying.
both of the Ice King.
I don't know where he went. 23 shield.
21.
Ooh, we got other company. Other company.
Other companies? Yeah.
2. At least 2.
We're getting third-partied from everywhere.
This dude's white. Knock.
Mine is right there, white.
Where are these guys at? Ooh, real close. Real close. Over here they come. They're going around the mountain. We gotta cut them off. We gotta cut them off.
The last 2 people?
Yeah, it's the last 3 people.
Actually, last 2.
Don't get too
I'm
close.
gonna try to. Where is one? I need to hit a sniper shot.
We just gotta stay on this mountaintop. We got high ground.
Yes, we do. Now I have a little tower I can look at.
I have 2 more rockets right here. Oh shit, what happened here? Can we get that res?
Where?
Rockets right here.
Oh, I got hit.
You got any rockets, Anthony?
I put 2 right here, Falcon.
I know.
Oh, I sent
They're pushing in hard. They're pushing in hard.
4 right there.
Oh. We're gonna have to spray them all together. Everybody get your AR out. Right here, right here, right here, right here, hard.
Got right on.
Where's the other guy? There it is.
Nice one.
Look at that easy win. Just sit on the hilltop and shoot them until they die.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.